Friday morning, where's my bunny? Messing with his house, of course. Just rearranging. He doesn't like how I did it, apparently. Okay, you figure it out. We're gonna go to work and you tell me how you want it, okay? Yeah, okay.
Like 6 months to get.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
We just got it, so now I have
Hi,
all
baby.
the
Oh, he's
pieces
so
to
sweet. Look at that. Hi, babies. Quick trip to Eastville, visit family, pick up the trailer.
Yeah.
Yummy! What do we got here? Chocolate strawberry.
Oh no!
After
not for
poke
Scooper.
dinner, yum.
Scooper no finish.
Hi, babies. This is like polar opposites. Yeah, yeah. Just chilling. Me and Sky. Hi, Sky. Hi.
Sorry.
Hi. Hi, Sky.
Christmas time.
Oh, it's Christmas time. Yeah. Oh my gosh. They do look more like twins now, though. Hi, babies.
Yeah, remember when the
Same frown. Okay, everyone's done with dinner. Dinner time. Yummy. And what's for dessert? Big ass strawberries. Chocolate covered strawberries. Look at that. Costco special.
There's actually a connection. Okay.
Who's so fresh and so clean? Is it bedtime? No? No? Mm-mm. Ah. Where's brother? Where's brother? Close the door. No, Scooper. Okay, bye.
It's bedtime for this guy.
Bye, Rain. Cheers. Still early. Okay, it's not even 10 yet. Cheers. And then he's doing some meat. We're doing some late night snackings. What do we have here?
Wagyu,
Wagyu.
Wagyu ribeye, New York, and brisket.
Snack. This is just a snack.
Ribeye, brisket, and something I was told.
Ribeye, brisket, and
On this amazing new wolf griddle. Because I like griddle. Somebody listened to me, the feedback.
Yes.
Awesome. We're going to do it tonight. For dessert, we have this one monster strawberry that nobody wanted to touch earlier, but I think we're going to quarter it and share it between the two couples. We're going for it. Strawberry cheers! Yay! Top of the morning. Hi, Scooper.
Good morning.
High five. High five.
Right.
High five. High five. High five. Yay. And who do we have here?
This is Sky.
Hello. Oh. We survived the night. Went to sleep at 4 a.m. But we are going to leave this morning, just like we said. We just didn't specify a time. And we gotta move, shuffle some cars, and get this beast out of here. What a hassle, my goodness. Can't even use a garage, can't use a door. Talk about a tight fit. We don't even have room for this. Scooper's gonna take me on a ride. Where are we going? Where are we going? Go, Scooper, go. Play some music. Play music right here. Scooper, right here. Turn up the jam, like that. High five. Yay! Okay, driving. We got some Amazon Prime. They're hooking it up. We got some new toys. Toys. Go, go, go. Go get some toys. What color? What color? What color? Fist bump. Fist bump. Bunnies never sleep. Look, wow. We just opened the cage and he's not moving. Come on, Bunny. You think he's sleeping?
He's not now. His eyes are open, but yeah, I think he was just a minute ago.
Wow. Oh. Oh, he's got a friend. Oh, yeah. He never comes to me. Wow. feels so safe.
It's so weird that their nose goes up and down.
Totally missed him.
You just shot past him.
He did. That
Turn
was
my
too
back,
funny.
please.
Yeah, he like literally stopped looking and he ran past you. Thursday, May 5th, hanging out in this filthy electrical room. Let's get this weekend started. So I just got these new earrings in the mail. Aren't they cute? I had to put them together and they're super reflective. I think it's cute.
No comment.
No comment. Okay, fine. They're not earrings. They are bird repellents. And we are at war with the birds again, as always. He installed this fence zapper for raccoons and mice for farm fences. But yeah. The birds don't seem too bothered by it. They would land on it and they would get shocked a little bit, but then they would just come back. So the other day we found like 2 nests up here and I put up little spikes in the middle because that's where the nest was, and they haven't bothered us since, but they are still here and I can hear them. They're keeping a watch out for the next opportunity. We're gonna hang these things probably on this end like that. Boom, 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 boom. Just here minding my own business, opening up my Amazon packages and getting my bird reflectors together. And who wants attention, huh? All of a sudden? No? Huh?
Not freaking really blinded me.
You want some of the action?
Next.
He loves you. He loves you so much more than he loves me. Alright, here's our last one. It looks like a freaking disco out here. All the reflections. I'm scared. Maybe the birds will be scared too. Where are you? Got the last one. Here you go. Adorn my garden. I thought it was gonna be more up here. You don't have one up here.
I know, but there's a lot going on.
Look, I'm a real adult now. I bought a simple human. It's a open top for the RV. Pretty happy about it. Trash cans are so expensive. It's stupid. We took a little bit of break from camping, but we didn't take a break from spending. This is our staging area. So I got some broom hooks and just command hooks. Got a cover for the razor, some fuses, some, I guess, oil changing kits. This one came, that's already installed. These are new mounts for, what?
That's for these.
Oh, new whips? New whips? So these ones are more, I don't know, rugged? Wild. That looks like a party. And then we've got some remote to change the colors. Oh my gosh, so fancy. And the flags. We got our flags. And what else we got here? Some more, oh, these are little connectors. That's a lot of connectors. I got this, very much needed. There was a toolkit that we were using at the place, but I didn't think I needed all of the other cheap ones, but this is for work. Anyways, can you put it inside? It's my little, and I only bought this really for this one because it's got the squares. For some reason, all the screws in the RV are squares. So this is our little kit. So since our house is still under construction and our dining table is now occupied, we are moving to this table behind the sofa table. Not really, it's a writing table, but that's how we're using it. He found his new favorite place. I got a rug in there for him because he keeps chewing on it, but he just loves being in there. Just chilling. Do you guys hear that? Do you hear that? It's silence. It is the sound of the birds in somebody else's yard. No birds. Scared them away for the night. So we're gonna see if this actually works out. Because it's very distracting when you get inside. It's freaking lights everywhere. Where's Bunny? Is he still in here? Yep. Just chilling. Huh, Bunny? Huh, Bunny? So these past couple of weeks, I think Bunny has been gaining a lot of weight, and he kept pushing the towel off of this house because it's got a little slope. So he didn't like to go up there. And last night I put this cloth up there to give him a little bit of grip, and he is back on. That's his nighttime spot. Like, every time the sun goes down, he gets on the house because it's like bedtime. But now he thinks I want to play, which I don't. It's bedtime. Okay, it is Friday, May 6th, and we just got back from a quick job walk in the morning, and we are going to take a little bit of time to kind of refurbish that we've had for a while. Getting sun-baked, and we are going to coat it with this Olympic water guard clear wood sealer, so it'll prolong the longevity of this trailer. Yes?
Totally.
So we're gonna take these boards off so we can get to all sides and then roll that. It's like a milky texture, goes on like silk.
Water.
Like water, so
Much like water.
that's how it's going to be. Hopefully a little bit darker, but it's supposed to be protecting. Look how good it looks, wow. Like that is a brand new trailer. Nice. We are done with our yard duties, and we are going to do a little bit of a quick Mother's Day thing. Not quick, an early Mother's Day thing. First errand is complete. We got some flowers from the local florist. Look how pretty. All those bright, vibrant colors. Second item on the list, we're gonna pick up some food. This is where we're at, Casmalia, middle of nowhere. This is one of the most popular steakhouses on the central coast of California, the Hitching Post. Celebrating 70 years, yay! They just redid their entire bathroom. This is so cute. Farm style, and they have real flowers. These are real, oh my gosh. It used to be this hole in the wall, rickety bathroom, but so cute. Nice job. So this is the bathroom area, and then there's a patio outside. This is my favorite part. You can hang out here, little patio, got a little garden up there, and yeah, just to chill. Little bench, and then you can just leave out this way, I think, yes. So I'm gonna go out this way. Got the food?
Yes.
And?
It's just in a ton of aluminum foil.
Find my little boo-boo. I had a little boo-boo, the flowers fell over. The cardboard box is all soaked, so I gotta fix that. Okay, late night dessert. We got our wine, decaf coffee, and some waffle brownies. Yum. Watching the CMT Music Awards.